Welcome back, everybody. We got rolling on corn, really rolling on corn this week. Starting off, we got a good chunk out, probably close and up to 300 acres already out of corn. So pretty good chunk taken out of that already. We're down on our southern farms, taking corn out right now. I'm gonna go hop in the tractor, the combine, do something here. I just got done with work. Headed that way. I like that it's a fast tractor, but it's kind of hard to see the unload auger. We just finished up with this 80, it looks like, as I'm getting here. They've got a little bit on the 80 across the road. We're gonna probably head over there, keep hammering away. I got about 20,000 pounds on the cart right now, just loading into the truck so we don't have to cross with that. So yeah, we'll be moving across the way here, get it hammered out in that, get the trucks filled. I don't know what time the elevator's taking. It's about 6:30 right now. It's been getting pretty cold and dark around here lately. You can really tell fall and winter is setting in. Thinking we're gonna have a killing frost here one of these days. I think 33 is the low here one of the next couple nights, so it's coming. I don't know if this is everywhere, but right now the ground is still warm enough. All the beans left on the ground are starting to, they germinated and they're popping up. There's beans popping up, so I can see that be a good thing. I mean, you got maybe some nitrogen fixing. Hopefully bring some nitrogen back to the soil. Alternatively, guys will look at that, see maybe, oh, my combine, blow all that out the back of the combine. Maybe I'll need a better combine. So that could go one of two ways. Maybe you want a different one or a new one or something, or your settings aren't dialed in. Well, that's pretty well the same across to everyone. You can really tell where it happened, because where the duals went over, it would be the heaviest spots, or like LSW tires. You can really tell where the beans were on the ground there. That's not near bright enough. That's better. The cab is so darn nice in this new tractor. I think one of my favorite options is the massaging seat. You got two settings of massaging, and you just click it on and you got her going. And I can feel her in my back and my bottom. Got your lumbar and seat forward. It's like a sports car seat here. Got my cooled seat on, right in a nice little spot for it, out of the way. And I can relax and wait for the combine in comfort. Speaking of which, one other super nice thing, got a foot peg right there so I can kick my foot up, turn over my shoulder, look right at the cart while we're unloading. I don't care in the world. Kick my feet up on the integrated ones up here as well. It's just that easy. He's a full one. Still gone. It's a pretty good job of getting down there fast. double auger cart really do a good job of unloading quick. Sure, you're looking over your shoulder, but I think that's a good price to pay for fast unload rates. So I think all those creature comforts and cab comforts make up for the fact that in corn harvest anyway, that the grain cart operator is running his tail off. At least in our situation with one combine, 2 trucks, and 1 cart, I am running my tail off when I unload to get back caught up to the combine, which is clear at the other end, probably close to full, hopefully not close to cab corn. I made it. We're good. No cab corn. Now I done it. He's waiting for me. Woo! Get my workout in for the day. Just filled both the trucks. Elevator's not taking anything more tonight. So probably just gonna fill the cart here and call her a night. Wouldn't it be weird if life had AB lines and auto track lines? Sometimes I feel like I have a squirrel in my head with a compass, and that's my GPS. That's all she wrote for the night here. We're getting close to the field drive. Just gonna park her for the night and head on home. Maybe get some grub. I'll wrap it up for tonight. I'll go get some, Mom's got some cream chicken and be a nice warm meal and off to bed probably. Thanks everybody. Have a good night. Don't get much better than that. Thanks, Mom.